Meteorologist Zoe Mintz joins us now. And Zoe, I was out there getting some video of the king tides yesterday, and it's always such a unique phenomenon to see, but it was really interesting learning about the future implications, because you don't think about that too frequently.
No, I mean, this is going to become a norm by 2100 as soon as that. So let's get used to it and let's make sure that we have infrastructure to support this, because it's going to happen whether we like it or not. But either way, it's going to be a chilly start to our morning, whether we like it or not. Jacket is necessary. That's how you help to fight against the cold. Let's find ways to fight against sea level rise as well. It's beautiful sunrise, though. The colors in the sky are absolutely spectacular, and you might notice there's barely any clouds out there, but we are expecting clouds to quickly arrive over the next 6 hours or so. That's ahead of our next storm system that is going to be bringing us a little bit more rain by later this afternoon and evening. Earlier today, though, if you have any outdoor activities you want to get done, earlier is definitely better than later. But even later, we're looking at this storm system definitely trending, not nearly as impressive as it was. That was the wrong loop. This is from 2 to 5. This is when maybe an isolated shower or two is possible south, but we're expecting this line of arriving rain across the North Bay at around 5 p.m. This will be the biggest impact likely of today's storm system. 2 to 5 p.m. and then from 5 to 7 slowly making its way across the North Bay and down towards San Francisco. How much rain is this line going to bring? Maybe a couple of tenths to a couple of hundredths. It's not going to be very heavy. It's not going to be very impactful, but it might bring a little bit of rain. Again, that was from 5 to 7. Now this is moving around from 7 to 9, where that line will continue to dry out, fizzle out as it pushes farther and farther south and east. And by the time that we step out at the late night hours, this is 11, all of the activity has dissipated. And by the time that we step out Monday, it's going to be a lot quieter. So do keep that in mind. This active weather is not going to stick around early next week. This afternoon, though, it's not necessarily going to be a warm day out there. We're still going to be feeling that chill in the air that we normally do during November. It's still a couple of degrees below average, though. We're sitting in the 50s closer to the coast and then 60s further inland. It's a couple of degrees cooler today than what we felt yesterday. By tomorrow afternoon, we will be warming up slightly, maybe a degree or two warmer tomorrow afternoon compared to today, but it's really not going to be warm tomorrow. Again, maybe a degree warmer than today. Still going to be in the 50s along the coast and 60s further inland by tomorrow afternoon. But again, tomorrow will be filled with a lot more sunshine before a next storm system arrives by Wednesday. So yes, we're already tracking our next storm system that looks like it's going to bring a lot more active weather by the middle to later parts of the upcoming week. A lot more active weather pattern is on the way. You can see just behind me how much higher those rain chances go. But let's take a look at that big picture pattern really quickly if we can and show you exactly those storm systems that are on the way. Today and tomorrow, again, that storm system arriving and then departing, and we're expecting a lot more sunshine by tomorrow afternoon. By the time that we step out into Tuesday, though, that's when we're expecting more cloud coverage to arrive ahead of our next storm system. By Tuesday and into Wednesday, that big swirling mass of clouds will continue to just funnel moisture in across the Bay Area, and we'll see multiple waves of rain on the way by the middle to later parts of the upcoming week. So this active weather pattern is going to stick around. Again, if you have any outdoor plans, though, Monday is definitely the day to do so with a lot more sunshine. Tuesday approaching cloud coverage but dry. Wednesday, Thursday, and then especially Friday. Those are the days to look out for when it comes to actually seeing some wetting rain, especially Friday afternoon. So plan that accordingly now, and again, get out Monday and enjoy some sunshine, do any outdoor plans or any chores Monday while it is going to be dry. Back to you.
All right. Thank you, Zoe.